Hi, and welcome to today's tarot reading. So, this is a spontaneous tarot reading which I have not done any preparations for in advance. And if you've stumbled upon this reading, then this reading must be for you because this is a very small tarot channel, and this reading might not get recommended to a lot of people. So, if it got recommended to you and you resonated with the title and you've chosen to come here, then this reading must be for you. So, before we start this reading, I would request you to maybe pause this video and set this intention that whatever you are meant to know right now, whatever you are meant to hear right now, will find its way to you effortlessly, and then you will feel that even this reading will resonate with you, and everything else in your life will sort of echo in this way that you will get to know what you need to know. Okay, so we'll set this belief, and let's see what the cards want to tell you today. So, what are you meant to hear? What are we meant to know today? And also, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And this reading is timeless, so you can watch it at any period of time. I'm shuffling the cards, and I will let you know all the cards that I've got. Okay, so on the top of the deck, we have the Hermit. So the first card we got was the Ace of Pentacles. The second card was Eight of Pentacles. So there's a lot of earth energy here. Your zodiac sign could be Capricorn, Virgo, or Taurus. Then we have the Wheel of Fortune, Princess of Cups or Page of Cups, the Lady, which is the Empress, and Two of Pentacles. So there are three Pentacles cards. So there is definitely a lot of earth energy. And if you don't have any earth sign, then it could be that it is something related to maybe financial matters, or something that is material, not emotional or psychological, but it's material in nature, whatever you're watching this reading for. And I have to say that this is a very positive reading, and it is positive because when you're watching this reading, I think you've done a lot of work on yourself, because I can see Hermit on the top of the deck. So certainly I can say that you have done a lot of work on yourself, and you have cultivated this mindset, that success mindset or that winner mindset, whenever you watch this reading. So first of all, we have Ace of Pentacles, then we have Eight of Pentacles. So, and I can of course see stars in both of these cards, because pentacles usually have these coins which have stars on them, and there are in total 9 stars here because of Ace of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. So the number 9 could be important for you. I just got that randomly. So Ace of Pentacles, something new could be coming into your life in terms of something that you want to achieve in your material world, be it career or be it any position or a certain amount of money that you would like to manifest in your life. I think you're taking chances this time. You have played it small on many occasions, you've played it safe on many occasions, but this time you want to go all in, and you have this faith in yourself that I can do it. And that faith is also because you have worked upon yourself, you have improved your skills. This is the kind of improving one's skills, as this person is doing right now. So, certainly, I would say that you have given your time to this thing. It might be a new beginning, but it's new in a sense that there is some shift happening. It's not completely new, it's not something that you're not familiar with. You have really dedicated yourself to something because you love it, you are very passionate about it. I can also say that you're passionate about it because of the Page of Cups, because look at this woman. She's sort of sniffing what's inside the cup. She is letting her senses take much more control right now. She is not, I mean, also her environment is beautiful, so she is one with her environment, I would say, and that she's choosing to enjoy this moment. So I feel that even if this is something which has taken patience in the past, you've chosen to enjoy it, you've chosen to embrace the journey. You also, of course, you also appreciate the destination, we all do, but you have also chosen to appreciate the journey in this. It is something which gives you a great sense of excitement, and I can see 444 on the timer. If this reading has resonated so far, then you can write 444 in the comment section. This is something, truly something that you feel called for. Might be career related because of the pentacles cards, because we have three pentacles cards, but it can be, certainly it can be something else because this is a general reading. So that is what I get here. And it feels like finally the flowers are blooming, after a long period of stagnation or patience. Some sort of change is definitely coming here. Now we have the Wheel of Fortune. So again, I can attest to this, that some kind of change is coming here. And we have the Empress. There is strong feminine energy here. There are so many cards which have a woman in them. Of course, energy doesn't have a gender, but because tarot is highly symbolic, so we can go with that. And the lady does represent feminine aspect, right? Feminine aspect of the ruler, because the emperor represents the masculine aspect. The Wheel of Fortune is about, see, she is drawing a line here. She is sort of, it's like she's creating a portal, right? It can seem like she's creating boundaries, but today I feel like she's trying to say that I'm creating this portal myself, right? I'm choosing to make that change. I think there was one movie, there was a Barbie movie about, they had like 12 portals. There were 12 dancing princesses. If you remember the name, you can write it in the comment section. And they used to teleport somewhere, if I remember correctly. So something like that. And we have the lady. So the Empress is about harvest. So something you worked hard upon, something that you have dedicated yourself to, and now you are reaping what you have sown. You can finally harvest those good results. So of course this card calls for efforts, it calls for doing that consistent work, because you cannot reap something if you've not, if you've not given the water daily, and if you're not taken care of the seed. It's not just that you have to bury the seed, but you have to take care of it daily, right? And I believe that you people have done that. It's not like I have to say that you should try to do that. You have been doing that. So I'm really proud of you guys. And it could also be that you can get hit with a new idea. If you get any creative ideas right now, even when you're half asleep, do not think that they're a waste or that they're too hard to accomplish. Because see, the Empress here is a pregnant lady, right? So pregnancy or fertility can also suggest the creation of new ideas. So I would say that you pay attention to that. And lastly, we have the Two of Pentacles. So it could be that you're managing two things. And also, I always point this out, that there is a shipwreck happening in the background, and she just doesn't care at all. She's just focused on her two pentacles. So I think that's the kind of attitude that you're adopting right now. And that's what I feel, that successful people, it's not like they have any less obstacles. It's just that they do not care about them. They just choose to move forward. So that's the kind of attitude that you're embracing. So this was the reading for you, and I'm really happy for you guys. You are really doing something. And even if sometimes you do not feel like doing anything, that's also absolutely okay. You don't have to push yourself. Okay, just relax and value yourself first. You can, indulge in some activities that make you feel happy. You can do some meditation or something if you feel that your surroundings are pressurizing you. There's no need to take anyone's pressure or anyone's BS. It's about, being your authentic self. And I think that whatever this is about, it makes you feel authentic. So that's what it is about. So in the end, you will get a paycheck for it, but you have to be true to yourself first. So I will see you in the next reading, and please take care. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.